Hey guys, what's up? I'm back with another knife. What do you know, it's another knife. But anyways, this is the Pro 4 Tactical Survival Straight Edge Knife Kit. This is another Rural King item. This knife is less than $10, and it's a pretty cool looking knife. So let's take it out of the box, check it out, shall we? Alright, right away we have the instructions. It's called the Survival Hunting Knife Instruction Manual. Tells you all the functions of this knife. I do like the way it looks. Let's read on here. See a little bit about this knife. It says it has spear point tip, ground razor sharp with sure grip serrations, electroplated and a matte black finish. It does have survival paracord. As you can see right here, the handle is wrapped in the paracord, and it's looped off to give you a bit of a hand grip, so it doesn't slide out of your hands or you lose it. But it states here that there is 13 inches of this survival paracord, 550-pound test. This knife does come with a Flint Firestarter, you can see here. And I know a lot of people don't like to do this, not with their blade, but let's see if it works. There we go. We have sparks, so that does work. I like that flint. It's pretty cool. I like it. This knife does come with a sheath. And it is velcro to fasten it in. And it does have the belt loop. And one nice item that this knife came with that I really like is it does come with its own sharpening stone. All right. On the sheath, you would think it would go right here, but I do not think that's the case because it does not fit in there. So, and nowhere on the packaging does it show where you can keep your honing stone with. So I would assume that this is where you keep your Flint Firestarter. I mean, the more you look at it, it's kind of obvious. So yeah, I would assume that is where the Firestarter goes. But yeah, there it is. The Pro 4 Tactical Survival Knife with paracord, Flint starter, sheath, and honing stone. You can pick this up at Rural King. I think Farm and Home Supply has this item, as well as the Big R farm and tractor supply stores. It can be picked up online on Amazon. And I'm sure if you search around, there's a few other places that carry this knife too, but it's pretty nice. I mean, it's lightweight. It feels strong and sturdy. Got a fairly sharp blade to it. So yeah, this would be something great to throw in your backpack. You know, if you're out in the woods every day, you know, whatever you may be doing, it's a good, general, all-around nice knife. So yeah, but there you have it. Pro 4 Tactical Survival and Hunting Knife. Go check it out, guys. Hey, thanks.